In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Grok AI assistant from X. Let's get started. I start on the Google homepage and move my cursor up to the search bar to type in Grok, then hit enter. Looking at the search results, I find the main website link for Grok.com and click on it. This opens up the Grok web interface where the main prompt screen loads, displaying the text entry field. This standalone web page provides a clean and focused environment for your conversations with the AI, making it very easy to navigate right from the start. Now, I want to show you the alternative way to access it directly through social media. I open a new tab, go to the address bar, type X, and search. From the results page, I click on the link to go directly to x.com. Once my feed loads, I look at the left-hand navigation menu where various options are listed. I locate the Grok icon and click on it. Using the assistant directly inside the platform is incredibly convenient because it keeps everything integrated while you browse your timeline. The dedicated Grok page opens up seamlessly within the X platform, presenting me with the central chat interface. I click into the text box that reads, "Ask anything," to type out my query. For this demonstration, I am typing a request to find out the top trending topics on X in the Philippines right now, asking the AI to summarize each trend in 2 to 3 sentences, explain why it's trending, and include the overall public sentiment or discussion surrounding each topic. Writing a highly specific prompt like this helps the AI understand exactly how to structure the final results for you. After reviewing my text to ensure the instructions are clear, I click the arrow button to submit the prompt. The assistant immediately starts processing the request, showing an animation as it searches the web and gathers the most recent data from real-time posts. Within a few seconds, Grok generates a detailed, structured list containing the active trends, full summaries, and contextual information based on the current live discussions. I can now scroll through the comprehensive response to read all the updated insights, demonstrating just how powerful this tool is for catching up on what's happening globally or locally in real time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.